Hey everyone, I hope you are doing well. I want to say first of all, thanks for joining me in the year 2022 on my adventures and supporting me throughout the way. Whether you were just following along on YouTube and Instagram and sharing in my travels that way, or whether you are out here being brave and letting me lead you on some group trips and some events, thanks for joining me this year. This year has been a good year for a lot of growth, whether it be my groups such as the Oklahoma Backroad Exploration Routes or Sooner State Overland group, as well as on social media. It's been a good year. It's been a great year, and I'm looking forward to an even better 2023 coming up. And I hope to see a lot of y'all on the trail out there joining me. Either joining me or out on your own. It's part of why I do this, is to inspire others to get out. But I wanted to do a quick little end of the year video, and I don't have time to go through and gather a bunch of video clips. Next year I'm going to kind of do it as the year progresses. But I am going to do something with some photos and make a little slideshow here. So again, thanks for joining me in 2022. It's been a great year, and I'll see you again next year.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. Find my way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. Find my way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. Find my way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. Find my way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm back. Cheers to my past, I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down, I might take a nap. And they thought I was playing around, I was up like my tax. Living fast, Over limit on the freeway, hope no cops pass. Had to dip off for a minute, yeah, that's my bad. But I can't stay for too long, I gotta go. I grab my bag and hit the dash, yeah, adios. I drop the clutch and slam the gas, and it's vamonos. If you're not first and you're in last, Ricky Bobby quote, you gotta know. Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad.
Thanks for joining me on an awesome year. I hope 2023 is even better. And remember, there's still another mile left to explore. I'll see you on the trail.